Hello children, Ravi Sir here. Welcome back to the third session of Forest and Wildlife Resources, the ninth chapter in Geography section of Social Science textbook for class 10. Dear children, in the previous sessions we discussed a few topics of forest resources such as classification of forest, meaning and impact of deforestation, remedies for forest conservation. Right. Now, from this session onwards, we shall discuss the wildlife resources of India. First of all, we shall start with the wildlife diversity in India. Due to vast geographical diversity in India, there is vast diversity in our wildlife too. Out of the 15 lakh species of birds and animals in the world, पूरी दुनिया में जो 15 लाख जितने बर्ड्स और एनिमल्स की प्रजातियां पाई जाती हैं, उनमें से 81,251 प्रजातियां तो सिर्फ इंडिया में ही पाई जाती हैं. In terms of biodiversity, India stands 12th in the world. बायोडाइवर्सिटी के दृष्टि से इंडिया की पोजीशन वर्ल्ड में 12वें क्रमांक पर है. बायोडाइवर्सिटी ऑफ इंडिया इंक्लूड्स ब्लैक बेयर, वन हॉर्न्ड rhino, deer, red panda, different types of snakes, peacock, घोरड़ जिसे ग्रेट बस्टर्ड भी कहा जाता है, हॉक, किंगफिशर, फ्लेमिंगो, डॉल्फिन, etc. Currently, India is the only country in the whole world where both tigers and lions are seen moving freely in their natural abode. यानी वर्तमान समय में भारत ही एक ऐसा देश है पूरे विश्व में जहां दोनों टाइगर्स और लायंस दोनों उनके नेचुरल अबोर्ड में यानी जंगल में आजादी से घूमते हुए पाए जाते हैं. In Indian forests, we also find the African zarak, European wolf, wild goats, and gibbons from Southeast Asia. During winter, migratory birds from different countries come to spend their winter in the watershed area of Kevladev National Park and Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan and Nal Sarovar in Gujarat. So dear children, these were the important points of wildlife diversity in India. In your examination, if you are asked to write a note on wildlife diversity in India for 2 marks, then you will have to use these points for your answer. Right. Apart from this, in this chapter, some extra information about some wild creatures has also been given to you with the title Things to Know. On the basis of this information, you can also be asked to write a note on any one wild creature. So, let's have a look at these topics also. First, let's start with the red panda. It is found in the cold forests of eastern Himalayas. It eats bamboo sprouts, eggs, small birds, insects, etc. It is less active during the day. पूरे दिन भर ये ज़्यादा एक्टिव नहीं होता. Besides India, it is also found in China, Nepal, Bhutan and Myanmar. After the red panda, now let's try to know something about the Ganga River dolphin. It is found in the fresh waters of river Brahmaputra and Ganga. Besides, there are few dolphins left in Chambal River also. It is also found in the rivers of neighboring countries like Nepal and Bangladesh. It makes su-su-like sound. So it is also known as souse, su-su or suis. At present, its existence is in danger. Now, let's come to a wild creature that is quite familiar to us. That is leopard, जिसे गुजराती में दीपड़ो भी कहते हैं. Now this animal belongs to cat family. It is smaller than a lion and tiger. It is also found in black color. It is found everywhere in India. It is found in large number in the forest of Gujarat. People mistake it for a cheetah. लोग कई बार गलती से उसे चीता भी समझ बैठते हैं. राइट. नाउ चीते की अगर बात निकली है तो चीते के बारे में ही जान लें. It is considered to be the fastest animal on the surface of earth. But it is totally extinct from the forest of India now. In India, it is found in captive zone, that is in the zoo only. It is found in its natural habitat in Africa only. यानी जंगलों में अगर देखना हो तो वो सिर्फ अफ्रीका में ही हम देख सकते हैं. भारत में उसे देखने के लिए हमें अब जू में ही जाना होगा, क्योंकि फॉरेस्ट में से तो वो पूरा एक्सटिंक्ट हो चुका है, गायब हो चुका है. राइट. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू नो समथिंग अबाउट a wild creature called Hano taro. This animal lives in the arid and semi-arid regions of alkaline forests and grasslands, desert or semi-desert areas. It is found in the greater and smaller run of Kutch of Gujarat, Banni region and Narayan Sarovar sanctuaries. It is slightly taller than the fox. Fox से थोड़ा taller ऊंचा दिखता है. It has fleshy round mouth and high ears. It hunts smaller birds and animals. Its existence can be known by its footprints. कि उसके पैरों के निशान से उसके होने का अंदाजा हमें आ सकता है. राइट. नाउ लेट्स ट्राई टू नो समथिंग अबाउट सच अ वाइल्ड क्रीचर कि जिसके बारे में पहले शायद आपने सुना भी ना होगा. दैट इज डुगंग. डुगंग इज एन एक्वेटिक एनिमल, पानी में रहने वाला एनिमल है. सी ग्रास एंड वेजिटेशन is its main food. Sometimes it also eats aquatic animals. It is seen in very small numbers along the sea coast of India. It is also seen along the sea coast of East Africa, Southeast Asian sea coast and northern coast of Australia. It is widely hunted for its meat and fat. Earlier, it was frequently found along the Saurashtra coast in Gujarat. but now it is rarely seen along the Gujarat sea coast. So dear children, that's all in today's session. See you soon with a new topic and a new hope of learning something new. Till then, wish you all the very best with today's learning. Bye.